Okay. Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name Ronaldo.
Ooh, Ronaldo. Wow, good. Okay, let me write it. Ronaldo. Good. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good.
I'm good. Where are you from? I'm from Vietnam. Okay. So, are you ready?
Glad.
Yes. Okay. Look on TV, and the first part is about daily routine. Okay. What do you do in the morning?
Get up.
What time do you get up?
6
o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Good. And then what do you do?
Brush my teeth.
Very good. And then
Wash my face.
wash my face, and then
Come home.
comb my
Comb my home.
hair.
Comb my hair.
Good. And then have
Have a breakfast.
breakfast, and then
Get the bread.
yes. Where do you go?
Go to school.
What time do you go to school? 7
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Good. What do you do in your school? I read
Read a book.
a book. Yes. And then play with
Play with
toys.
toys.
Play with toys. And then what do you have, or what do you take? I take
I check
a bath.
bath.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
And then I do my
Do my homework.
okay. And then I go
Go to bed.
What time do you go to bed?
9.
9 o'clock. Good job. Okay, 5 senses. What can you do? I can
Toy.
touch with my
With my toy.
hand.
Hair.
Good. What can you do? I can
I can
taste
taste
with my tongue.
toy.
Good. What can you do? I can hear
I can hear
with my
with my
ear.
ear.
Good.
E.
Eye. I can.
I.
Yes. What can you do with your eye? I can.
I.
Yes. I can see.
I can see
What can you see? I can see bright,
the
bright and dark. Okay. Okay. This is the end of your speaking test. Thank you very much, Ronaldo. High five. Yes. Good job.